received my premium starter kit. So thanks to my sponsor. He doesn't want to be mentioned who it is, but I think you obviously know who he is. So I've been really wanting to have this Young Living Essential Oils diffuser kit, and particularly I love the owl, supposed to be the owl, but I think it's being sold out currently. So I chose the Desert Mist diffuser. So I've been reading a lot about Young Living essential oils, and yes, it's really pricey, but based on my readings and based on the testimonials of different friends and about a lot of things that I've read on Facebook and their website, it's really, really, really worth it. So here I am finally signing up and getting my own premium starter kit. So okay, I'm so excited to open it up. So first we will open the diffuser. So we have the guide, and then I think this is the AC adapter. Alright, so I'll just put this aside first. So here is, oh, it's so small. I thought it's really big. Wow, it's so cute. So nice. So here is the Desert Mist diffuser. This is what I've been dying to have. Okay. And then we also have the product guide. So I think this is where all the necessary things that I need to learn, especially for new users. And here, what we have here. So I think this is where you have the oil and the I think all the oils that's included in the premium starter kit. And by the way, before I open this up, I just like to highlight the freebies that I got from the member or from the sponsor. I think this is what we call the roller blends. And then I have one essential oil, basic needs, almond oil. So I still don't know what to do with this. And then I have the bottle spray here. And one free 15 ml cedarwood essential oil. So these are the freebies, guys. Okay, so let's open the box. I am so excited. Okay. How do you do this? Oh, there. Wow, so cute. See that? So nice. So here we have, so I think this is the welcome letter from the founder, D. Gary and Mary Young. Then love it, share it. I don't know what it is. I still have to read it later. Then we have here essential oils at a glance. So I think this is the guide, our ultimate guide for the different essential oils that's included in this starter kit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 essential oils included in the PSK. And then what we have, the roadmap. So I think this is something relevant for those who want to make a business out of it. And you know, even the paper smells great. So I'm so excited to use it. Okay, so we'll put it back together. And then, so here are the oils. So we have here peppermint. This one is Thieves. We have lemon. We have, I don't know, digize, I don't know. And then copaiba. I don't know how to read it, sorry. And then of course my favorite, lavender. And frankincense. We have Panaway, Raven, and Citrus Fresh. All 5 ml bottles. So we'll see how it works. I think this is in itself can be used to display your oil, especially if you don't have the oil rack yet. So I don't know how to get this. Oh yeah, I think you just have to do it like this. Oh yeah, okay. So I'm still looking for the 11th one. Oh, here it is. So this is the Ningxia Red mixed fruit drink. So they've got 2 of these. And then this is the 11th oil, Stress Away. And these are, I don't know. This is the, I think it's an oil guide. Oh yeah, I think this is the sampler. Sorry, this is the sampler. So I think if you have to like give it to someone as a sample, you just have to, sorry, I don't know how to open this one. Can you please hand me a scissor? Pair of scissors, please. Thank you. Yeah, I think this was what I saw in the video. Like, you pour the oil here, this one, and then let's say you poured in a little frankincense, so you stick the bottle here, and then you can already give it to someone. Okay, sorry. Like this. So I think it's a sample. Okay, so I think that's about it. I'm excited to use this. I'll be trying it out tonight. And I'll do another vlog later on to give you my review of my first experience of the Young Living essential oils. Thank you. Bye.